Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a moisturizer that's been getting a lot of attention for repairing the skin barrier and calming redness. It's the Minimalist Vitamin B12 Repair Complex 5.5% Face Moisturizer with Ceramides. I've been using this daily for a few weeks now, so I wanted to share a full honest review, what it promises, how it actually performs, and whether it's worth adding to your routine. So let's start with what this moisturizer claims to do. It's marketed as a lightweight barrier strengthening moisturizer that contains ceramides. Now, if you don't know, ceramides are basically those lipids that naturally occur in your skin barrier, and they're amazing for keeping your skin hydrated and strong. This particular one also has ingredients that calm and repair the skin. It's fragrance-free, dermatologically tested, and designed to work for all skin types, from dry to oily to sensitive skin. Moving on to the ingredients, first it's got vitamin B12, which is known to reduce inflammation and calm irritation. If you struggle with redness or sensitive flares up, that's where vitamin B12 comes in. Then you've got the 5-ceramide complex. Ceramides are the building blocks of your skin barrier, and this formula has 5 different types. These basically work together to strengthen your skin barrier, lock in hydration, and prevent that tight, flaky feeling. To make it even more soothing, it also had deep ethanol or vitamin B5, which hydrates and heals, plus betaine, which helps skin stay soft and resilient. So it's a nice balance of calming, repairing, and hydrating ingredients. The ingredient list is short and clean, which is something I genuinely appreciate in a barrier repair product. Now let's get into the texture. It's not a thick heavy cream but more of a light gel cream that has a nice slightly cooling sensation when you apply it. The soft pink tint adds a bit of unique touch compared to your usual white moisturizers, which I kind of like. It makes it feel a little more special. When you spread it on your skin, it goes on smoothly and feels instantly hydrating, which is great. But here's the thing. There is a bit of tacky or sticky feeling right after application. It usually settles down in a few minutes. If you have normal to dry skin, you're going to love how it feels. It's comfortable without being too rich, and it gives that healthy, hydrated glow. For oily skin types though, I could see this feeling a little bit sticky initially, especially if you live in a hot, humid climate. But I think it could still work as a night cream or just in less humid environment. Now let's talk about a couple of things that could be better. If you have really dry skin, you might feel like this is not enough on its own. I found that on colder nights, I had to layer a heavier cream or a facial oil on top of it just to lock in extra hydration. Also, in a very humid weather, the moisturizer can feel a tiny bit tacky for the first few minutes before it fully absorbs. Not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. As for side effects, personally, I didn't face any irritation, no breakouts, no sting, which is actually impressive because my skin can be quite reactive. I've seen more reviews online where people mention mild sting during the first use, but I didn't have that issue, so I'll say it's a pretty safe for sensitive skin. But as always, do a patch test. As for the smell, it's basically neutral. There is no artificial fragrance, which I really appreciate. It doesn't smell like a flower or perfume. It just has a very mild, almost clinic kind of scent from the ingredients themselves, which fades quickly. So if you're sensitive to fragrance skincare, this is a safe option. From my experience, this product is best suited for people who struggle with redness, sensitivity, or weakened skin barrier. If you've ever overdone it with exfoliating acids, retinol, or even just had irritation from pollution and sun exposure, this is the kind of moisturizer that can really help calm things down and bring your skin back to balance. The vitamin B12 in here really helps inflammation, while the ceramides strengthen the skin barrier. So it's kind of like giving your skin a repair boost. It's also a good fit if you're someone who wants hydration without heaviness. The gel cream texture makes it comfortable for oily and combination skin types because it won't clog pores or feel greasy, while still giving enough moisture for normal skin. People with very dry skin can still use it, but you'll probably need to pair it with a thicker cream at night to lock everything in. So that's my full review. If you've tried this moisturizer, I'd love to hear your experience. Did it work for you, or did you run into the same stickiness issue? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest skincare reviews. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.